got a song stuck in my head. Won't you take me to Snooky Town? Won't you take me to Snooky Town? Won't you take me to Snooky Town? Guys, I went to the Everglades and I found Snooky Town. And it was fun and it was good. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks guys for coming. Thank you for watching. And let's get cracking. Let's go find our way to Snooky Town. It's a big bird, man. That is a big bird. Hey, buddy. Holy cow. Fred has grown. Brant, Bama Beach Bum. There's Fred's grandmother. Oh, guys, I just noticed something. Luckily, my cell phone works out here. And I didn't take a side shoot I should have taken. And the lake I'm trying to get to is about a quarter-mile over there. Freaking 30+ inch something right there. There's a smaller something. Oh my gosh, I just saw a big jack. I just saw all sorts of crap going on here. That's a big snook. That's a really big snook. Oh no, he sees me. Oh man, dang it. He looked at me. There's something over there right there. That's a gar. There is freaking fish in here like crazy. I just saw a big jack, big snook, and snookzilla. I saw snookzilla. I know what. Oh! There's a bunch of somethings coming this way. Coming this way. I'm gonna head them off at the pass. I know you can see it, guys. That water's crystal. Why ain't they going after it? Why ain't they going after it? Why ain't they going after it? They just ain't. That's why. They just ain't. What's up, dogs? Oh my gosh. There's freaking fish in here. Holy cow. They don't want this, I don't think. I'm not sure. Earlier, a massive jack and a massive, well, actually it wasn't a massive jack, it was a big jack, and a massive snook come roaring in here, leaving massive wakes, chasing bait fish, and they killed them right in front of me. I didn't have any line out, and my fly was in the was stuck in the top guide. So I might wait here for a bit, give us about 10-15 minutes, see if that repeats itself, and I can put my fly in front of them, hopefully. Oh, right, coming towards me. Look, jacks. Looks like jacks, I think. That's what just busted stuff over there. And I am not in a position. Yeah, I am. I'm perfectly positioned. Dang, they are spooky. They are, I mean, I was 15 feet in front of those guys. Oh, that's a gar. Dang it. That's a gar. Phooey. He sure wanted it though. Dang it. Okay, I'm going to go into the other lake. Oh man, I was hoping they'd come back out busting again. Well, guess what that means? That means the predators are out there. They're just coming in here to bust and then go back. Shoot. Not good. This is not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. thing got in between my rod and the boat. Not good. There, can't do that. Can't do that, can't do that, can't do that, can't allow that, can't allow that, can't allow that. This is fun. This is fun. It doesn't matter. They're feeding. I'm just not doing it right. They are feeding in the middle of the day. Cool. Anyway, things got interesting. There's probably about 50 fish sitting here waiting for bait fish to come out. Golly, it's Spider City. Red ribbons. I know exactly where I need to go out. And then in there, there's only only one way in. I still got it marked. I'm in pretty good shape on that. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I'm a mosquito in a nudist colony, man. I am a mosquito in a nudist colony. I don't know where to bite next. Woo. I think I'm going to sit here because this is the water coming out, and there may be predators circling around, which would make a lot of sense. Well, Big Bay didn't turn out all that great, so I'm back in a little small pond where there are lively fish, or was. It's been an interesting day, guys. Very interesting day. I'm going to use a longer leader. My leader is, 8 feet. I think I need to go 12. I'm going to have to do some leader doctoring. Lengthen this puppy out a bit. Let's take a look real quick. Okay, a 9-foot fly rod. Yeah, about 11 and a half, maybe even 12. I went to a lighter shock tippet. I went to a 30-pound shock tippet. And I got this little tan colored toad, more subtle, small. See if this makes any difference. I don't know. I just work here. I just cannot get it together today. Oh my goodness. This is a different, everything is so shallow. See, stuff keeps moving back there. I hear stuff die back in there. Dang it. That's 2 hits on this thing. Did my really bad canoe strip strike. Very bad canoe strip strike. It's really not easy to do, guys. I'm telling you. I felt him. Dang it. What is going on? I know that thing's sharp. I know. I felt it. I checked it. Dang. It is sharp. It is sharp. They like it. Be dang. That worked. That worked. Oh, be son of a gun. Sorry, fish. That's not what I had in mind. Okay, all right, all right. They are just so pretty back here. They are just so pretty. Oh man, yeah. Fight like the dickens. He liked that fly. Holy cow, it worked. Guys, you gotta understand something. I don't know what I'm doing. I just saw this on the internet. Well, you know the story. I've said it before. Y'all probably know me by now. And yeah, he took it solid. And I strip set in a canoe successfully, I might add. He's got a buddy in there. I know. When I went in there, I spooked quite a few snooks about that size. Quite a few. That's funny though. Oh man, that was sweet. That was, man, he almost went under his mangroves and lost me. Ooh, nice cast, Mr. Porter. I hope I was recording that. See how that goes way back in there? They could be way up in there. They're just not, unless they're willing to come out. I can't get to them. Ooh, nice caster. My red flag is scaring any of them. Probably get used to it after a while. Oh, what's that? That's a gar. Gulping air. That's what gars do. Got better one. It's a little better fish. A little bit. Oh no, don't you go there. Don't you go there. Don't you go there. Don't you go there. Thank God I'm anchored. Because he'd have just went right in the mangroves, drug me with him. Oh, this is a nice one. This is not a bad one at all. Oh man, shallow water snook fishing. Oh, it's kind of hard to beat. This is a nice one. Shoot. Lot better one, lot better one, lot better one. Oh. Yeah. Man, yeah, nailed it. Dang, I got me a new snook fly. There you go, that is about finished up. Almost. Ooh. You got that thing down too, man. That leader's probably afraid all too crap. Oh yeah, he took it way down deep. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just gonna get it, buddy. I can't get that. There we go. We're back in the water. Breathe, bud. Breathe. That's more like it. Much more like it. All right, let's let him go. Let him breathe. Let him get bigger and make babies. All right? All right, buddy? All right, buddy? Now, y'all notice I just kept him in the water. Kept him in the water. Take the hook out, put him back in the water. Take the picture, put him back in the water. Showed you guys on the camera, got him right back in the water. I'm not going to sit around and talk about the situation, just dangling the fish for 5 minutes. That pisses me off when I see people do that. It's like if someone stuck your head underwater, you can't breathe. When we take him out, he's like his head, he's getting waterboarded. Guys, be cool to the fish, man. Be cool to the fish. I got a new favorite snook fly, I think. Woo, woo. Shock tippet. Look at that shock tippet. That was not a big fish, okay? And that was a very short, I fought him hard to land him as quick as possible. He frayed that stuff up, but it's probably good for another one. Right back in there. Man, he killed something. Oh, no, 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 no. I was about ready to pick it up. I was about ready to pick it up. Golly. Broke me off. Broke me off. My gosh. Dude. My knot. Oh man, I think he grinded it down. Oh man, he broke it. 30-pound test. Oh, I should have changed my leader knot. I mean, oh man, it was frayed. My fault. Golly, Derek, you idiot. That was about the same size as that last one. Maybe a little bigger. Myself. I'm my own worst enemy, man. Okay, I'm going back with the pink and white deceiver to see if I can pick one up on it. To prove to me that they either just turned on or I don't know what, and it wasn't the fly. If they don't hit this, I know it's the fly. And I think I got another one of those tan tarpon toads. Dang, man, that was a nice fish. That was me. I got so busy thinking about that fish I caught and released, and I just did not even think, and I usually do. We've seen a lot of action right there against that bank. Oh man, that's a big one. Oh, he saw the boat. Oh no, 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 no. There's about 4 or 5 of them together. Oh man. Okay, I don't think it's a fly after all. Well, it could be. I don't know. I don't know. Ain't quite the caliber of that last one, but hey, I love these fish, man. I'll take them this size all day long. He's right. There's a herd of them. Absolute herd of them right there. Oh man. Oh. Oh, I got that. I hope I got that. Yeah, I got that. Oh my gosh. Let's see. They frayed it up a little bit. We'll be good for another one. Now I got to change it. They're gone. I mean, they're gone. They're flat. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. I pulled it out of his mouth. It's a bigger fish. It's a bigger fish. That's bigger than the big one I caught. Oh, I'm gonna get sick. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get physically ill. Man, they turned on or something. Hope I can find my way out of here in the dark. I might not be able to see them red ribbons in the dark. I got flashlights. Well, y'all saw my preparedness video, right? Are they just coming in here to feed all of a sudden? That's a possibility. There's a lot of bait fish in here. Okay, this is, this is on like, what is going on, man? 1 minute, I'm doing everything I can to catch a fish, nothing, and all of a sudden, bam, bam, bam. Okay, I'm going back to the 50-pound test. Shock tip it. I ain't stupid. I am not stupid. I do stupid things, but I'm not stupid. Like, I strip set. It didn't do me any good, but I did it. I also hit my leg. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? I strip set again. I did it right. This is fun. Oh no, the ladyfish are back. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. A little bit of breeze left, put it right in there. No, I put it right in there. What the heck, fish? Got it that time. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. There we go. I love it. I absolutely love it. This makes me giddy and silly and all goofy, man. There you go. Uh-oh, Derek, check your dang test. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. He had an outside. If they got an outside of their mouths, you're fine. When they take it just a little bit past the hook eye, then you're screwed. This is fun. I ain't got into them like this in a long time. Well, since my first trip down here. Go look at my February 2020 Snook video. Well, I did 2 of them, actually. And got into them like this. I should have waited till I gotta wait till I feel them. Oh, Derek. That one will probably come back. He never felt anything. I saw the swirl and I just set the hook. Dang, Derek, you missed your chance, dude. You freaking missed your chance. I'm developing new habits. Oh, nice. Oh, there's more coming in. There's more coming in. There's more coming in. That's after I sent that picture of that nice one I caught. I know my fishing buddies, they've been texting me left and right. I kind of got busy, guys. Kind of got busy. Come on, out. How did you do that? Oh, he got in twice. Wow. Yeah. Life is good. There's another blow up right after that on back a little bit. Two casts, 2 fish. That is too good. That's too good. That is too good to be true. They're control your line. Dang. It's a little bit. That's okay, buddy. You're welcome to the party, even if you're underage. Okay, all right. There you go. He's out. He had it in the lip, and when I went to reach, he bumped against my hand and dislodged the hook. You know what? That's perfectly fine. That is perfectly fine. Golly, guys, this is nuts. That's 3 casts. Oh man, what is he doing? I think pattern seems to matter right now. Is that a gar? I think that was a gar. That was a gar. That's the problem. Even the gar getting excited. Oh man. I'll skip on the gar. I don't have any desire to mess with one of those guys right now. Or ever. Could be return of the ladyfish. It could be. It could be, actually. This is ridiculous. I gotta go soon. I gotta go soon. It's a largemouth? No. They do look a little bit like head on sometimes. Okay, buddy. I know it. I know it. Yep. You go back, bud. Thank you. Grow up a little bit when you're of age, baby. Okay, I'm being silly. I'm having a ball. Okay, I want one of them big ones. I don't know. Very good. He got out. He got off. How did he get off? I strip set, and I strip set again, and I strip set another time. He got off. Happens. I'll mess around here and a big one show up right at the right time. Okay, not Peacock Fest, Snook Fest 2021. Oh, golly. Wait till you feel it. Like that right there. These are all the little ones I saw in the canal when I went through. But I'll take them, man. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. This is fun. Golly, guys, I've said this before. I literally did not know this place existed and just saw it on Google Earth and found out that there was a canoe trail and said, yeah, that sounds good. Come on. There we go. Okay, all right. I'm trying to get you out, trust me. I am, I really am. How did you get that thing in there, dude? There we go. Ah. Got water in my eye with my glasses on. That fish is good, man. Ooh, goodness. This is insanity. I'd almost written off coming here at this time of year because I thought that high water levels had moved them out. I was wrong. Okay, bait fish. Yeah, now have safe passage. I made it back to the car to take out alive. And guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I enjoyed making it. Trust me. Yeah, they're real monsters, but there's monsters in there. And I'm going back. I got some unfinished business. Got some unfinished business with some of those 30+ inch snook. So guys, that's Snooky Town. I'm gonna have that song stuck in my head the next 2 weeks. Thanks for coming, thanks for watching, and hope to see you out there on the water sometime.